Hi you guys, this is Lizzy and you're watching Lizzy's TV. I'm coming to you guys tonight with a video. I received a package in the mail today and it was actually from HelloFresh. If you guys remember, I got the gift card in the iTech Deals mystery box. So I actually, tried it out to see how it would work. So I did get the HelloFresh box and it's pretty big. So it's kind of heavy. So we're going to unbox it for you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So here we go. We're going to open the box. Wow. So actually, what I ordered was, it should be 6 meals in here. It's 3 meals for 2 people. So that's what I ordered. And the way it works is, when I went online and I ordered my package, I made a mistake and I used their code instead of the code that I got with the card. And actually it worked out better for me, even though this say a $50 gift card. For those of you that do a lot of unboxings, and if you ever did an iTech Deals unboxing, a lot of people probably have this card. So, but the card states that it's $25 for 2 boxes. So it's like $25 per 2 boxes. So which means this $50 gift card had to be split up. I didn't want to do that. So I used their code and they gave me $30 off of my first box, which is this one that I just opened for you. So we're going to see what's in it. We got a lot of little, look like paperwork and stuff. I'm going to get my glasses here. Pretty much a lot of little paperwork to tell you, to show you what kind of food items they offer, which is nice, I guess. Oh, they give me a little extra something, so let's see what the little extra something is. Ah, look at there. I get 50% off my first wine box, and I also get a free coffee. So that's cool. I like coffee, so that'll work. And says, welcome to the Fresh Fam. That's a card, which I'll probably read all those a little bit later. So I'm thinking what I have in the box right now, the meals that I have. One of them is the creamy dill chicken. So I have that. And then on the back of these cards, the recipe cards, they tell you how to make it. So I have that. So this one is the creamy dill chicken. This one is the melty Monterey Jack burgers, which sounds so good. Oh my God, that sounds good. So I can't wait to make those. And then that's the back of this card as well. So like I said, they got the recipes on the back. They show you how to prepare it and everything. Now the next card is a Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. So it's going to look like this when you're done with it. At least that's what it's supposed to look like. And they packaged it in this cool cooler bag. See if I can, the box is kind of heavy, so I'm going to see if I can lift it up for you so you can look in the bag, in the box. So it's in there. You know, you got your cooler bag right here and all of that. So that's in there. That's kind of neat. So that way your food will stay fresh. So if they sit it on your porch early in the day, it'll stay cool until you get home. So let's see. We started with the creamy dill chicken. So this is the bag it comes in. And actually it's still cold. It's still, the food is literally still cold. And I think I pulled this box in probably about 1 o'clock this afternoon. So the food is still cold. So I'm going to just sit this to a side for a second. Ooh. And I know, let's see, open the deal bag, I'm going to sit it down. So in the deal bag, we got, let's see. I hope. I'm gonna set the box to the side. Okay. All right, you guys. So what I did is I decided to sit down because my table is real low, much lower than my camera. So eventually we're gonna have to try to replace that so I can get better. But anyway, we were doing the creamy dill chicken. So that's what we were doing. In my bag, I got some fresh farm-grown dill, which is something that's going to be added to the recipe. I have a nice bag of asparagus, and it looks pretty good on the inside, so that's cool. And I have some white potatoes. And I like this here. This will be pretty good and healthy. Got about 6 white potatoes here for that. And what we got left. Let's see. This is Hello Fresh chicken package, so I'm guessing this one is mustard, Dijon mustard here, mustard pack. And then I got, I would guess this is some kind of sauce also. It doesn't say, it just say Hello Fresh chicken. So, and then we got a package of sour cream. So, which means, once I get to the bottom of the bag, I'm guessing the chicken is in there. So, it's supposed to look like that. So, hopefully, it'll look like that. So, we're going to put this one back in here. Or actually, we're just going to over. So the next one is, what we got? Ooh, let's do the Monterey Jack. Melty Monterey Jack burgers. Remember, y'all. That's the picture. Okay. So we gonna see. They got a nice little label on the bag. It's in a brown paper bag. And it's a greener bag. So whatever that means. What it says is on there, I'm guessing it's eco something. Okay, we got the bun, hot hamburger bun. We got, all right, nice, look like a zucchini. I think this one is a zucchini. That's what it looks like. It's got the little thing on the end. At first I thought it was a cucumber, but no, this is zucchini. So I do believe, yeah, zucchini. Just making sure, y'all. So here we got Calavita balsamic vinegar to go with that. Oh, this is gonna be good right here, y'all. I buy balsamic vinegar anyway. And you got some Parmesan, Monterey Jack cheese to go with that. Nice bag full of stuff. Breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs. I love these. Red onions, 1 red onion rather. Another pack of Monterey Jack cheese. Oh yeah, so they got some nice stuff in this bag going on. I can't wait to cook some of this stuff. You got a pack of ketchup. You got some mayonnaise. They sent you some garlic. Clove of garlic. No, half a clove anyway. And some oregano. All right. So that's that. Now we got one more to go. This one is kind of huge. Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti in this bag. That's the bag you come in, nice. It's a nice bag. So like I said, those of you guys who like to unbox these packages and stuff like that, and like I said, we did iTech deals. This is one of the gift certificates that come in the iTech deals mystery or surprise box of tech is what they call it. Which you can check that video out because I did one of those, and I'll link it to this video so you can see it. Alright, back to the Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. So mostly everything I showed you right now is just the seasonings and different things that they're using for the recipe. And for that one, it should look like this. So everything seems to be nice and fresh. This is nice. Nice yellow bell pepper. And got some parsley, fresh parsley. Ooh, diced tomatoes in a can. By Summer Inside. I've never really heard of them, but okay. And this is, alright, here's the spaghetti pack. So, that's the spaghetti pack. Still seems like it's going to be pretty good. Nice big old yellow onion. Tuscan heat sauce. So I guess it's going to be kind of hot. And one of my favorites, Parmesan cheese. I love it, y'all. And here go that little chicken pack again. It's saucy. I don't know. It don't say what type of sauce it is in it. It just says Hello Fresh Chicken. So I don't know. Once I get into the recipe, I'll see if I don't know if you marinating the chicken with this or whatever. I don't know. All right. And you have the ground beef packages. I don't really care much for how they did that. They kind of like just tossed them in the box, and they really should be wrapped because they kind of, well, feel like I got a little bit on my fingers, but maybe that's because it's finally unthawing out a bit. So we got that, and neat, but I don't know which one it is. It's huge. It doesn't say. This is the bag of ice, y'all. I'm like, what is this? It's the bag of ice. I'm thinking there's some meat in here. This is the bag of ice. So that's cool. So this is what's been keeping it cold. And matter of fact, when you think about it, this is like something you can actually keep. You can really take this with you and put it in one of your bags or boxes or something when you go to the park, and you know it'll keep some of your stuff kind of cold. So this could be reusable actually, and it's in a recycle bag, so that's cool. And this is the chicken. That's the chicken. Comes in a pack like this. And this one, okay, we got the hamburger. Okay, so this one must be, this is another ice pack. So it looks like, this say Tuscan sausage. I don't see the sausage. We got the chicken. We got the hamburger. Oh, my fault, my bad. I wasn't paying attention. Sweet Italian sausage. I'm thinking this was hamburger because they both really almost look alike when you pulling them out the bag. So we got everything, and we got 2 ice packs. So that's why it's still cold. So anyway, that's the end of, oh no, it's not the end. Let me tell you something. When I ordered this stuff, I had went online And like I said, at first I had made a mistake and I used the code that was on their website. So when I used the code that was on their website, they debited my card like $23. And I'm like, hold up, this card say $50 off. Because if I had been able to use the whole $50, this box would have been free. So in reality, this box is about $53. But they have the food program where you would get a box every Thursday. Well, for me, it would have been every Thursday. Now, for somebody else, I don't know. I guess that would depend on the day that you signed up for it. So just for those unboxers and you do get this, make sure you know that this program is ongoing. This is not something that you just get a box and then, you know, that's it, because that's not it. They're going to keep debiting your card every week until you cancel it. So what I did was, when I found out they took the $23 out, I called them and I canceled. Because I don't need a $53 box of food, you know, coming to the house. So it wouldn't work for me. But some people this may work for. I'm used to going to the grocery store, picking my own things and certain things like that. And I definitely, and I'm just going to be honest with you, I definitely wouldn't buy my hamburger in this type of package. I like it's fresh, not, you know, pre-packed. You know, so, but I understand with the program, this is probably how they have to do it in order just to make sure that it stay fresh and it get to the customer. So actually, in reality, what they did for me though, and this is what I liked about it, when I called them and I told them, you know, I didn't want the subscription. I don't want the box for every week, you know. So what they did was, she said, well, I told them that I had got the box today to find out, you know, if you want me to return it or do I keep it or whatever. So anyway, she said, well, you keep the box. So thank you, HelloFresh. I am keeping the box and I am going to try the recipes and hopefully everything come out as good as it looked on the recipe card. And 3 to 5 days, they're debiting my card back that $23. So in reality, what happened for me, this box was free. And I like free all the time. So, with that being said, you can check out the unboxing video from I Take Deals and you will definitely see what was going on and how I ended up with the HelloFresh box. And that ends this video. So don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can see the upcoming videos. And also, that giveaway is on its way. So I will talk to you guys later and enjoy. Bye.